Please tell me, Nikhil. Nikhil is from Rewari, Haryana.
Right, sir.
अरे बाबा, आप लोग का सोचने से तो हम लोग का डरता है, बिकॉज आप लोग का आदमी तो अगले महीना से स्ट्राइक करेगा, वो करेगा, ये करेगा. हाँ, बाप रे बाप. करेक्ट.
No, sir, it's not like that. There are very few communities.
God bless you. Just joking. Please tell me.
Okay, sir. So my name is Nikhil Kumar. I am from Rewari, Haryana. I did my Bachelor's of Commerce from Indira Gandhi University, Mirpur, Rewari itself, and in 2020. And after that, I completed my Master of Business Administration in the field of finance and international business in year 2022. Thereafter, I joined Ameriprise Financial as an process auditor, under which I perform. Uh, we do auditing of paperworks that processor has done. After 1 year, I got promoted and moved into a different team where I assist advisors regarding opening applications and transferring money from annuities to another product, and uh, regarding settlement of any product.
What is the pay packet you are getting now?
Sir, it is somewhere between 7 to 8 lakh per annum.
Okay, fine. That's nice. Now, um, what makes you think that you should come to bank?
Sir, actually, I'm working in MNC, and I'm working in night shift, and I
You are
always wanted
you
to
are
contribute. And
you are working in night shift.
yes, sir.
Oh, so
So
you
I
want
want
you
to,
want you want to work during daytime.
yes, sir. And there is nothing wrong with my company, but I just want to work in a day shift, and it's a good way to work with government bank. So I prepared with for that.
Very good. What is the government's contribution fares in PNB?
Sir,
Even
I
I
don't
do,
know about.
even I
Uh,
don't remember. Supposing they ask, you must be able to tell that. Prepare.
okay, sir.
Yeah. Next, because I don't remember it, but suddenly I don't know why I asked this question. It came to my mind. Now, please tell me, in your present work, are you using artificial intelligence?
Sir, there are lots of tools which are upgrading with the AI tools, but we are not completely dependent on these, because somehow it may cause us financial risk, and it reduce cognitive or creativity.
Hmm. Good, doesn't matter. Now, can you tell me what do you understand by TDS?
In my opinion, PDS stands for Public Distribution Scheme, where government provides some free monetary benefits or commodities to public at
I
cheap
was
rate.
I was asking Temple Development Scheme, TDS.
Oh, sorry.
What is TDS
Uh,
in terms of our commerce? Tax
uh,
deducted at shores.
Tax deducted source.
Yeah.
So, uh, under tax deducted at source, so employer deduct some part of our salary as a tax earlier before financial year completing. This is known as tax deducted at source.
What is the leverage ratio for banks? Hello? The leverage
Yes, sir.
ratio. What is the leverage ratio for banks? Perhaps you don't know. The leverage ratio for banks is the ratio of the total capital in the banks and their assets.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
total capital and their assets. Can you tell me what is DRT and why was it established?
Uh,
Eh,
DRT. Debt resolution tribunal.
Debt recovery tribunal. They
Okay.
were formed in order to speed up the recovery process of NPAs.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now, please tell me, what do you understand by return on assets?
So return on assets is a percentage that we are, I mean, earning we are getting from asset that we have employed in our business.
How profitable the company is. Good, correct, not bad. What is known as restructuring of a loan?
When a loan is due uh, by 90 days, it is considered as NPA. And in that scenario, credit officer or a loan officer try to restructuring that loan by writing off or by, I think, selling to the ARC companies, or maybe they provide a discount on that.
What is meant by cash flow?
Sir, cash flow help us to know how much fund is going out from the company and coming in the company by way of investment advances and uh, paying liabilities to others.
What do surplus and deficit mean?
Surplus is the amount which surplus is the excess amount which we uh, take apart from profit, and deficit
No,
is
no, 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 don't use these words loosely, because profit is the surplus is the amount by which income is greater than your spending.
okay,
Could you
sir.
understand? Income is greater than your spending. All this is available in your guidely material, page number 34. Did you note down
Okay,
the
sir.
point? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Te-
Noted.
Tell me, what is said to be underwriting?
Sir, underwriting is a concept when loan is due, so we try to write off that loan.
No. Underwriting is the process of examining the financial of a loan or insurance application to determine how much risk they pose to the lender. This is what you wanted to tell.
No, sir.
This is what you had in your mind, or you had something else in your mind.
Sir, it was different.
Underwriting is the process of examining the financials of a loan or insurance application to determine how much risk they pose to a lender or insurer. Correct?
Okay, sir. Not.
Mr. Nikhil, what do you mean by standing instruction? You have not heard about it?
No, sir.
Standing instruction is an instruction given by you to your banker to effect certain transactions at periodical intervals. For example, payment of rent, payment of school fees, payment of electricity bill, telephone bill. All these things you are giving standing or transferring money to recurring deposit every month. So bank will be doing it automatically.
Oh, it's mean e-mandate, I think.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Electronic mandate. Now, what is deferred payment guarantee? पढ़ा नहीं है? A deferred payment guarantee is a guarantee undertaken to make payment of installments payable by the buyer of capital goods such as machinery on long-term credit given by the supplier. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Deferred payment guarantee. Who is determining the interest rate in SB accounts of banks?
Sir, it is determined by credit officers.
No, it is determined by the banks, individual banks. Each bank has got asset liability management committee. There they discuss and decide about the interest on various deposit schemes. Correct?
Okay, sir.
What do you mean by account reconciliation?
Sir, account reconciliation is a method of rectifying payment if there is any wrong entry or wrong number of amount has been entered in books of purchase or books of accounts.
What is universal banking?
Sir, universal banking include all type of facilities that are provided to retailers or like commercial banking, providing loans
Mm,
and providing other insurance schemes as well within a
mm.
same branch.
Retail, commercial, and investment banking.
Investment bank. Okay.
Good. Can you tell me what is the minimum and maximum maturity term period of fixed deposits?
Sir, minimum time period could be 1 year and
Maximum?
maximum. I think there is no limit on that. I, I think
Wrong. In the case of fixed deposits, minimum is 7 days, maximum 10 years. Minimum is 7 days, maximum 10 years. In the case of recurring deposit, minimum is, you know, you may not know. Minimum is 6 months, maximum is 10 years. Understand?
yes, sir, understood.
Yeah. What is index fund?
Sir, index funds are those fund which include those shares which are included in index. For example, Nifty 50. So it has a combination of total top 50 companies of Indian Stock Exchange. And if let's suppose if investor applying 2,000 rupees per month, so that 2,000 rupees will be investing in a proportion or weightage that has been assigned to those shares in that index.
What is SIP?
SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan, which we doing on maybe bi-weekly or monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annual basis.
Yeah. Can you tell me the advantage of doing ratio analysis?
Sir, ratio analysis helps us to determine the profitability of our business, solvency of our business, and requirement of working capital in our business.
It also helps you to compare our business with similar companies.
Okay, sir.
What is the role of asset liability management?
Sir, asset liability management help us to determine uh, how much we are earning from our assets and how much we are paying in terms of interest as a liability. So we have assets more if we have more assets in our company, then it will be good for us and it will generate more revenue. If we have more liability, that it means we will have more obligation to pay debt.
What is consumer price index?
Consumer price index tells us the uh, inflation in our country. it includes all the FMCG product and
The
manufacturing
consumer,
goods as well.
the consumer price index tracks changes in the cost of a selection of consumer goods and services bought by households. Say normally households buy certain goods. The price movement of price of those commodities is decided in consumer price index. What is wholesale price index? This is given
So,
in page number 39. Yeah, tell me.
s- okay. So as we have done CPI, so it deduct uh, price movement from uh, goods and services purchased by a consumer. It includes only from manufacturing to wholesale unit. I mean till retailers.
The wholesale price index measures the cost of items in the wholesale level, that is, goods that are sold in bulk and traded between, you told this point, organizations instead of consumers. You told that correctly.
Yes,
Best
sir.
wishes. Thank you so much. Prepare well. Maybe next time I will ask still more tough questions. You did well. Thank you.
Sure, sure, sir. Thank you so much.